All right. Good morning, class.
Morning, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good, sir.
All right. I hope you all in the good and well condition today. So, welcome to my English class with me, Dava Fadil Wahyudin. And before we start to the class, let us to pray together. Begins. All right, finish. Nah. There is the attendance link. I already shared to you guys in the chat box. So please complete your attendance link in 20 seconds. Start it. Right? Finish, guys?
Finish, sir.
Alright. Let's move to the next. And do you still remember what we learned last week? Anyone?
I do, sir.
Alright. Diwa, come on.
From last week, we learned about narrative text. Narrative text is a type of text that tells a story or past event in a sequence.
Alright. Good job, Diwa. Thank you very much. And I will show you the picture. Can you guess what the picture is? Anyone?
I think it's nasi goreng and rendang.
Yeah. There is the receipt book. Good job, Eko. And based on this picture, can you guess what we'll learn today about following this picture?
The procedure texture.
Good job. And today we will learn about the procedure text. And there are the learning objective today. The first is student can understand the definition and purpose of a procedure text. And the second is student can identify and explain the generic structure, such as goal, material, and steps. And the language feature like imperative verb and sequel words of the procedure text. And the last is student can write and create procedure text with correct instruction and structure. Nah, you guys, I will show you the video about the procedure text. So please pay attention because I will give you some question following this video. That's clear, guys?
All right, sir. I'm ready.
Oh, good. Let's start now.
My name is Miss Cindy. I'm going to show you how to make a simple and delicious omelet at home. Let's start cooking together. For the tools are bowl for mixing eggs, swish or fork to which the eggs, non-stick pan, stove, spoon for measuring oil, spatula to flip and remove the omelet plate to serve the omelet. For the ingredients are 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. The steps to make an omelet. First, crack the eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and whisk until well mixed. Second, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, pour in the eggs and tilt the pan to spread them evenly. Let it cook for about 30 seconds. Then, flip the top side to the bottom so all sides are cooked well. After that, cook for another 30 seconds until 1 minute until it's fully set. Finally, remove the omelet from the pan and serve. Here it is, ready to serve. Enjoy!
All right, that has been finished. So Are you ready, guys? And if you want to answer the question, please raise your hand. All right, clear, guys? So the first question is, what is the goal of the purpose of the video? Anyone? All right, Diwa.
The goal or the purpose of the video is how to make a simple omelette.
All right, good job. Thank you, Diwa. And the next question is, what tools are needed to use it? All right, Rafli, come on.
Okay, the tool are need is bowl, pan, fork, stove, and spatula.
Oh, spatula. Good job. The next is, what ingredients are to make the omelette? Come on, Eko. You want to answer?
Oh yes, sir. I think it's 2 egg, salt, and cooking oil.
Oh, good. And the fourth question is, do the step use the past tense or present tense? Yes,
The step is use the present tense.
no, present tense. Good. And the last question is, what kind verb are used in the video? Mention one or two verbs. Okay, Dewa.
In that video, she using imperative verbs and such as correct and add.
Oh, all right then. All right, thank you very much for your answer. That's good. All right, let's move to the next. And I would like to explain about what is the procedure text. A procedure text is a text that explains the steps to do something or make something in sequence so that reader can achieve certain result. The main purpose is to provide instruction or guidance to reader or viewer on how to do an activity or produce something correctly. And there are the language features and generic feature of procedure text. The first, I would like to explain about language features. There are first, use simple present. For example, you need 2 eggs. And the second is imperative verbs. For example, add, put, pour, and mix. And the last is sequencing words. For example, first, second, then, and finally. Secondly, I would like to explain about the general structure of procedure text. The first is goal, to state the purpose of the text. And the second is ingredient or material, to mention the ingredient and tool needed. And the last is steps, to explain the steps in sequence to achieve the goal. Nah, guys, let's move to the next. There are the main activity of this class. Let's identify this procedure text. This procedure text is how to make a sandwich. Anyone please want to read this text? Okay, Rafli,
Me, sir.
can you? Yes.
Okay, how to make a sandwich? The first ingredients is 2 slices of bread, 1 egg, 1 lettuce leaf, 2 slices of tomato, and butter or mayonnaise. A slice of cheese is optional, and a frying pan. And for the steps, the first is prepare all the ingredients on the table. Then spread some butter or mayonnaise on both slices of bread. And next is fry the egg in a pan until it is cooked. And after that, place the lettuce, tomato slice, and fried egg on 1 slice of bread, and add a slice of cheese if you like, and cover it with the other slice of bread. And finally, cut the sandwich in half and serve it on a plate. Now your delicious sandwich is ready to eat.
All right. Thank you very much, Luffy. All right. Guys, can you identify where the goal of this procedure text? Eko, would you like to answer? Or anyone? Come on.
The goals for on this text, the title.
All right. What the title of this text?
How to make a
To make a
sandwich.
sandwich.
All right. Thank you very much. Next, can you find where are the ingredients?
The ingredient is below the title and above the steps.
All right. Good. And above is the step, right? All right. Can you find where the imperative verbs? Please mention once. Come on, roughly. Can you find the imperative verbs in this text? Please mention one.
In the step is add a slice of cheese if you like. The imperative is add.
All right. Let's keep the question. Echo, can you find where the sequence words? Please mention one. All right, thank you very much. Let's move to the next page. I'm sorry. Nah, as the question, there are in the top is the goal. The goal is how to make sandwich, and there are the ingredient and the steps. And the imperative of this text, there are prepare, spread, fry, add, cover, and cut, and the serve. And the sequencing word are first, then, next, after that, and finally. All right, thank you very much for your participate in and answer this. Let's identify this text. Let's move to the next. Nah, you guys, this is the group discussion. So please make a group for complete this assignment. And the instruction is complete the blanks using the correct word from the box below. And I would like to give you 2 minutes for complete this assignment. That's clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. Let's start it now. All right, finish, guys.
Finish, sir.
All right. Would you like to present your answer, please? Okay, Eko, would you like to present your group answer? Or Rafli or Dewa?
Okay, Mister.
Right.
Okay, in the ingredients is 2 teaspoon of instant. Is the instant of coffee
Mm.
and 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 cup of hot water and some ice cube, and the last is a glass.
All right.
So in the step is the first sorry. First is to prepare all the materials on the table and pour the coffee and sugar into a cup and pour the hot water into the cup and stir the mixture well until the sugar dissolves, and after that add some ice cube into the glass and pour the coffee over them, and finally your iced coffee is ready to serve.
All right. Thank you very much. That's good job, everyone. So this is the individual assignment for you guys. And the instruction is what your own procedure text about how to make your favorite drink, snack, or food. Make sure it follow the structure and language feature have you learned. And I will give you maybe 2 minutes for completing the segment and start it until now. Please. All right, finish, guys.
Finish, sir.
All
Thank you,
right.
sir.
Iko, would you like one to present the procedure text did you make?
All right, sir. So in ingredients, how to make a. All right, sorry. And I will explain how to make a cup of tea. So ingredients is a cup, and the second a tea bag, and the third hot water, and the fourth sugar, and the last a spoon. And the step is our method. The first prepare a cup and put a tea bag into a cup, and the second next pour hot water into the cup, and then wait for about 2 or 3 minutes. And after that, add sugar if you like. And the last, finally, stir the tea well, and the tea is really to drink.
All right, thank you, Iko.
Really.
That's good. Okay, let's. I wanna ask you. I'm sorry. What knowledge have you gained during this lesson? Please, anyone want to answer this question? What knowledge have you gained during today's lesson? All right, Diwa.
Today we have learned about how to describing the step by step to make something.
All right. And what? Finish? All right. We will learn about the procedure step and how to do something that have a generic structure and a language feature, and we'll learn about how to make the procedure text. And I would like to give you the homework, guys. And the instruction is create a video demonstrating the procedure text you have created. Make it make it as interesting as possible and upload it to TikTok. That's clear, guys? Any question?
Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
All right, thank you very much, everyone. Right, this is the close of our class. Before we close the class, please to let us to pray together. Begins. All right, finish. Thank you very much, everyone. Uh, See you in the next time. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.